Hey, what's up, Renee? Corey here. I didn't forget about you. Here's your screencast. Anyway, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how you can actually start out ranking your competition, really getting those quality leads to your site as well. And the three things that I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. And really setting yourself up for drawing these leads in. I would do okay. You got specials and okay, I like your call out. I like to do like a coupon, 15% off or money off, coupons off, percentage off, things like that, or even free estimates. Blow it up, easy to navigate. I do have a few options up here. I really looking at your website. The first thing I'm gonna go over is content. Really being authoric in what you do and how you do it, and bringing this content up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords on what we're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content, and Google sees that. You got download one back there. Switch that out to more a little bit buyer's intent keywords, and that'll help with your rankings. If I go inside of Google here and type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top, which is another just form paid advertisements. You got old school ads at the underneath that, which a lot of people have been trying to go away with those ads. It looked like you were running a few ads yourself. These can get pretty pricey. Some of these I've seen for about $130, $140 a click. So if you sit there and click on it, they can get pretty pricey for some of your competitors there. Anyway, underneath this map section, they came up with these just to help block out some of those spammy phone calls from those ads. But anyway, underneath the ads, we have this little map section here, and really to get the rankings in this section is going to deal with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really, what you'd want to do is go in and get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this map section is going to be dealing with all that organic traffic, all that organic rankings. This is the first page of Google. And this really comes down to having high authority content, making sure you're found for those keywords, and also what comes down as a backlink. What a backlink is a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Now, if I take your URL here and stick it right inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So I got the Gulf Coast Air Systems up there. So right now you got 170 referring domains, which is pushing back 976 backlinks. So you got a decent amount of backlinks there. You're being found for 3.4 keywords, and your traffic coming from that is about 1.4, which is all organic. And the PPC, that stands for pay per click, so it looks like you are running ads. I don't know if you're doing any TV or radio. I know that gets pretty pricey as well. Anyway, so these 1.4 clicks, we can actually see what people are actually clicking on how your website's actually being found. And these are the keywords that you're actually being found for. I just want to run through some of these. I got R22 refrigerant, 410A Freon, R22 versus R410A. A lot of complicated stuff in here. AC overheat, HVAC tonnage calculator, ductwork, air conditioning theft. Let's go to the second page. Air conditioning, okay. Air conditioning duct, how to test humidity in home, AC tax credits. Kind of give you an idea of what you're being ranked for, where these 1,000 words or 1,000 clicks are coming from. This is Scott's 1 hour air conditioning and heating. I'm actually going to stick them inside of Ahrefs. I want to give you a quick overview of what they got going on. So they got 1.6 keywords that are actually being ranked for. They got 317 referring domains, which is pushing back a little over 2,000 backlinks. So in total, just from the organic traffic, they're getting about 1,000 clicks every month to their site. And I kind of want to show you where these 1,000 clicks are coming from. They're really buyer's intent keywords. I'm just going to run through a few of these real quick for you. So this tells you the position that they have, the amount of traffic that they're actually getting for each keyword, and also the volume, the amount of clicks that's happening for each keyword, if that made sense. So kind of give you an example here. They have their name here at the top, of course, which most people do rank for their name. Tampa air conditioner. There's 150 clicks every single month just for that one keyword. They're second position, so they're getting 27 clicks every single month. These people obviously looking for something to deal with their air conditioner. Tampa air conditioning repair, another keyword there. 200 clicks for that one keyword, and they're getting another 25 clicks just from that one keyword. I can go through here, and they have a lot of good keywords to be using. Tampa AC repair, their second position. There's 90 clicks. Air conditioning Tampa. Tampa AC repair, heating repair Tampa, AC repair Tampa FL, another 100 clicks. Second position, they're getting 14 clicks. So we can actually go through all these different keywords. Yeah, go through these keywords and pick out which keywords are actually going to serve you best. We can do a lot of different locations as well, and making sure you're getting those high authoric backlinks, and also that authoric content as well. Push back to it, so that way you are ranking on the first page. That would be, best way to get that quality work in for you. Anyway, so if you think I might have some tricks on my sleeve, feel free to hit me back up, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. I do like if you want to leave a comment on how I did on this video, that'd be great too. Thanks. Have a good day.